Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn the words that start from the letter A to Z. First alphabet A. A for apple. We spell apple as A-P-P-L-E, apple. Next is B. B stands for bus. We spell bus as B-U-S, bus. Next, C. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. Next is D. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. Next is alphabet E. The word that starts with E is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. The next alphabet is F. F for frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Next up we have alphabet G. G for girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Next up we have alphabet H. The word that starts with H is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Next is alphabet I. I for ice. I-C-E, ice. Next is alphabet J. J for jam. J-A-M, jam. Next is alphabet K. K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Next is alphabet L. L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Next is alphabet M. The word that starts with M is monkey. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Next is alphabet N. The word is nut. N-U-T, nut. Next is alphabet O. And the word is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Next is alphabet P. The word that starts with P is pig. P-I-G, pig. Next is Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Next is alphabet R. R for rocket. R-O-C-E-T, rocket. Next up we have letter S. S for snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Next up we have alphabet T. T for table. T A B L E, table. Next up we have U. U for uniform. Uniform is spelled as U N I F O R M, uniform. Next up we have letter V. V for vase. V A S E, vase. Next is alphabet W. W for window. W I N D O W, window. Next alphabet is X. X for xylophone. X Y L O P H O N E, xylophone. Next alphabet is Y. Y for yak. Y A K, yak. Next alphabet is Z. Z for zebra. Z E B R A, zebra.